Good afternoon, students. Today I'll be explaining to you how to use our Destiny database system in the library. The first thing you want to make sure is that you are looking at Dudley GT Magnet School. Then we will go about searching for books in our system. Okay, so I want to draw your attention to the page where it has the button Basic. You're going to keep that the same. Make sure that this button is pressed with the orange on the top. And these are the different ways we can search for a book in our library. We can look at keyword, type in a keyword, an exact title, an author, a subject, or a series. So let's go ahead and put in our find box, we're going to put in Goosebumps, and we're going to hit series. Awesome. Okay, so as you can see, we have titles here, and we have, it says 25 out of 60. If you go down up here, we can scroll to see some of the other books that are in this series. So there's a lot of books. Okay. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and just pick this book right here. Okay, I love this feature. It has the actual book cover, and the name of this book is going to be The Blob That Ate Everyone. Now this book is located, so you'll look at its call number, in the fictional section under STI for the first 3 letters of the author's last name, which is Stein. The series is Goosebumps, and this was published in 1997. This is one of the most sought out books. All my students seem to really enjoy these books, and as you can see here, it says 1 of 1. This copy is available within the library. And let's go right here to details and see what the summary of the book's about. So it says Zachy Beauchamp finds an old typewriter to use in writing his horror novel, but every word he types begins to come true. Interesting. We're going to scroll down a little more and see what else we can find about this. It says explore. This book, of course, is a fictional story. It says authors, typewriters. It has horror fiction. And it gives some information about its publication information. It was published in New York by Scholastic in 1997, and it also gives the ISBN number. So I'm going to go ahead and go back up to the top, and I'm going to keep searching. I'm going to go right back to catalog where I was at before. The next one that we're going to do a book for is the subject. I'm going to type in dinosaurs. There we go. And I'm going to hit subject. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down again. And I'm just going to take a quick look to see what types of books are available. I can see right here that Digging Up Dinosaurs is a nonfiction book, and it is going to be located in the 567.9 ALI section of the library. So this is a nonfiction book. I can keep going down and looking, and look, here is another book, Patrick's Dinosaur. The call number is Easy, C-A-R. This book seems to have a reading level of 3.3, and the interest level is K through 3rd. If I click details, I can go through and look to see what the summary is. When his older brother talks about dinosaurs during a visit to the zoo, Patrick is afraid until he discovers they all died millions of years ago. So this was Patrick's Dinosaur by Carol Carrick. We're going to go ahead and go back down and see. Now, this book has some additional information, and it also has some awards, it seems like, that were won. So we'll go back and scroll up. Once again, going back to the catalog. Now we're going to type in the author. Now, Jan Brett is the author that I want to explore. Let's see what books she has. Okay, so I'm most familiar with Armadillo Rodeo. This book is call number Easy, B-R-E, B-R-E standing for the last 3 letters of her name, Brett. It was published in 1995, and its reading level is 4.6. The interest level is K through 3, and the Lexile is 670. Now, this is also a book that is available, but if I scroll down, I can see that Christmas Troves is also here, but it has 0 of 1, so this book is not available. So we're going to go back again, and then I'm going to show you. Let's go ahead and put in a title. The girls seem to love Junie B. Jones and the Little Monkey Business. Okay, so we type that in, and here we go. We have an exact match of Junie B. Jones and the Little Monkey Business, and this book, there are 2 out of the 3 available. That's surprising. We can go down once again and do the same thing. Look at the summary. Look to see what series this book is in, and we can scroll down to explore quiz accelerated reader information. We can look at quiz numbers, reading level 2.9 points, 1.0 points, and more information about publication and more additional information and awards. So now let's go back to catalog. And our final search is keywords. Now, with the keyword search means that I know that there is a word in the book. For example, I know one of the characters, Piggy, and the other character is Elephant, but I can't seem to remember the title exactly. So here are all the books by Arthur Moe Williams. And these are all very popular. These are very cute early readers that are very, very funny. So, after I've looked to see if I'm interested in one of these, then I would go once again back to the catalog. And that concludes how to search for a book on our Destiny system.